Hello, my name is Jason Wise and I'm the General Manager of SATO UK. In this video, we wanted to give you some insight into our company, people, products and processes. So what does SATO do? We specialise in developing auto ID solutions to help businesses run smoothly. By tagging items with data, either in the form of a barcode, RFID, QR code or a standard printed label, our auto ID solutions create new experiences, deliver safety and reassurance and help solve societal challenges. From labels that can track medicine from its production to dosing, to a warehouse system that helps workers visualise the fastest route for picking, SATO is continuously innovating to help businesses prosper in the digital age. To help drive customer success, labels are an important part of our solutions and make up roughly 65% of our sales revenue. And here in the UK, our modern presses at our state-of-the-art factory in Harwich in Essex can produce all the labels or tags that you may require. In terms of the wider business, SATO also manufactures its own range of thermal printers for many different industries. From healthcare and automotive to food and retail, our printers are equipped with intelligent and customisable functions that enable them to print on demand for either simple or highly complex operations. Here at SATO UK, we look after the UK and Ireland, but with various offices located around the world, SATO has a global network that's committed to developing products and services that promote innovation and creativity. It's in this spirit of ceaseless creativity that we hold our values, ensuring our Japanese roots to our holding company, SATO Corporation, are not forgotten. Even though we're based in the UK, our Japanese work ethic remains a key part of who we are as a company. In our business, we work with two key phrases in mind, Kota Uri and Genberi Aku. Kota Uri refers to solution selling. This means that we review our range of products and our partners' solutions, tailoring them to your requirements so we can solve your business pain points. Genberi Aku refers to understanding your business by visiting your site to discover where and how our technology can help. You can see how these two ways of working easily go together. Essentially, this means that we start wherever you are because we are powered on site. So whichever sector you operate in, be it hospitality, manufacturing, logistics or healthcare, we have a tailored solution for you. I'd like to introduce you to some of the key members of the SATO UK management team and show you how our factory works. Without these people as the driving force behind our innovative solutions, SATO would not be who we are today and dedicated to our customers and partners' needs. Please enjoy this virtual tour.
Hi, I'm Richard, Sales Manager for SATO UK. I'm responsible for our sales and telemarketing team and ultimately look after the needs of more than 1,000 customers here in the UK and Ireland. SATO manufactures a range of products including IoT-ready smart printers, labels here in Harwich, and twinned with a dedicated partner network, our sales team are fully equipped with our knowledge and experience to provide the right solution for your business. As our tagline suggests, we are powered on site, meaning we'll take time to understand your business processes to propose the best products and solution for you. So whether you require an asset that adheres to GS1 standards or a pre-packed sandwich that requires allergen information, we're happy to advise and tailor a solution to fit your needs. We work with a range of independent software vendors to seamlessly integrate our solution into your business. It's a simple case of plug and play.
Hello, I'm Diane and I'm the Integrated Management Systems Manager. At SATO UK, we have implemented an integrated management system which promotes our culture of continuous improvement and ensures our business practices are compliant with multiple internationally recognised standards. This includes ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, BRCGS for packaging materials, FSC, PEFC and Safe Contractor. We are very proud to have obtained certifications in these standards as it demonstrates the company's commitment to providing the highest quality products and services to our customers. In terms of sustainability, these certifications also create an environmentally responsible and safe workplace for the benefit of our employees, customers and the wider community, helping SATO strive for improved business practices year after year.
Hello, I'm Lorraine. I'm the Finance and HR Manager and I'm responsible for all the admin functions here at SATO UK, from our sales and service support teams to credit control and accounts payable. My role is to ensure that our staff are working to the best of their ability and on behalf of our customers and suppliers. That means understanding if there are any outstanding service requests from customers and ensuring they are accounted for, alongside keeping track of supplier payments so they are processed correctly. This information is reported every month to our colleagues in Japan, whom we communicate with frequently to ensure our business finances are aligned.
Hi, I'm Paul, the Technical Services Manager for SATO UK. Our technical team has more than 150 years of industrial knowledge and experience, which makes us your go-to team for any project question. We cover everything from pre- and post-sale support, application and product development, installation and commissioning. We have excellent knowledge surrounding our printers and RFID applications. For instance, our RFID printers assist in offering superb track and trace capabilities, from source to shelf for food production, retail and many more. Our application-enabled printing technology, AEP, is one of our unique and intelligent solutions that resides inside our RFID printers, such as the CLNX Plus and the CT4LX. This is great for businesses that don't have the space for a PC in their back office, since the printer can operate as a standalone device by using a scanner or keyboard for the input. Other solutions include SATO Application Storage, SAS, our cloud-based service that allows printers to be automatically updated with new product data. This is essential in today's food retail markets with ever-changing legislation around food allergies. There's also SATO Online Services, SOS, a cloud-based maintenance system that allows remote diagnostics of printer hardware. This helps businesses save on downtime by alerting the team to simple printer errors or parts that may need to be replaced due to wear and tear.
Hello, my name is Nick and I'm a Service Manager for SATO UK. I'm responsible for all areas of post-sale service and support across the company. The service team are split into 4 distinct areas: service admin, tech support, workshop and on-site service. Our service admin team determines if your call can be resolved over the phone using the help of our tech support team. If this is not possible, we can arrange for a replacement printer to be delivered directly to your site or schedule a visit from one of our on-site technicians. Our work covers a range of contracts across the UK and Ireland. We also work closely with colleagues at our European offices and SATO worldwide to ensure all of our customers get the support they need no matter where they are located.
Hi, I'm Steve and I'm the Operations Manager for SATO UK. I'm going to give you a quick insight into what happens within our production and warehousing facilities. Here on site we produce a variety of labels for each sector. We have 6 flexographic printing presses which can produce a variety of labels and tags using UV and water-based inks in up to 6 colours. Depending on your business needs, we can easily develop simple plain blank labels that are great for markdown labelling in retail stores, or we can produce primary labels and tags using either foils, UV or water-based coatings and specialised varnishes. We also have many eco-friendly products available that can help businesses reduce waste. In our warehouse, we store many different products including labels, printers, hand labelling devices and other accessories ready for either parcel or pallet distribution to our worldwide customers.
Hello again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this virtual tour of SATO UK. We hope that you found it interesting. If you would like to talk to SATO, please contact our team today. We'd be happy to arrange for one of our sales specialists to visit you. Thanks again and take care.